So hey everyone, welcome back to the quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can find out the trade-in value of your car instantly around the USA region. Now, in order to do it, just simply open any of the browser you have. You can do the same steps from your smartphones as well. Here, just simply go to this website that says kbb.com. Just simply go over there and let's just wait for the site to respond. Once it gets open, here you're gonna see just simply click on this option of my car's value, and once you go over there, it will ask some details about your car, or you can directly start with your license plate or the make model or everything. Here you have to provide the details about your car. For example, let's just randomly select any car, and here let's say mileage is 10 maybe, and for just simply enter your zip code and hit go, and it will directly calculate your car's value and tell you the exact reselling value. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.